Yo everybody, it's 7420 coming back again for you guys with an unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. Cheers when you've got a beer. Well, what are you going to want? You're going to want some snacks, obviously, with it. So, yeah, you can probably just about see. Got a cool thingamabob. Really cool. Now, have a look at the snacks themselves. Snack selection box, ladies and gentlemen. We've got 2 packs of Serious Pickle. Very good indeed. 2 packs of them. Wow. 2 packs of those. We've got sausage flavour crisps, or Serious Pig, all Serious Pig stuff. Sausage flavour. Wow. 2 packs of them. Really interesting indeed. Oh yeah. And then we've got cheese, pure cheese baked to a crunch, baby. Oh, that's standard flavour, I think. Yep, very good indeed. There's a few flavours of these. Then you've got basic flavour, just cheese flavour again. Then you've got cheese with caramelised onion, baby. Ooh. Then you've got truffle, cheese with truffle. Then you've got cheese with rosemary, nice. And then you got 2 packs of grilled olives. They look really good. Plain grilled olives. Giant pork scratchings. They look really good. Really cool. 2 packs of them. And you got 2 packs of the Snacking Pickles with chili. Chili Snacking Pickles. Whoa. 2 packs of them. Then you've got 2 packs of the normal flavour pickles. Very nice indeed. And then you've got Snackingham Chorizo. Whoa. And you've got classic Snackingham. Whoa. Then you've got Salami Classic. Oh yeah, baby. A Fennel flavoured tasty pepperoni. And spicy Snackalami. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? That's the unboxing of the Serious Pig box, Serious Pig Co. Snacks. Very nice indeed. Yeah, I'll most likely do individual reviews of some of them. So yeah, join me on those. Big it yourself. Peace out.